Pour Coca-Cola into your toilet, and what happens next will completely change the way you clean your home forever. No expensive chemicals, no scrubbing for hours. Just a few simple ingredients you already have in your kitchen. And the results are honestly shocking. Most people spend a lot of money on strong cleaning products, thinking that's the only way to remove tough stains and bad odors. But today, I'm going to show you a powerful homemade solution that's not only cheaper, but surprisingly effective. First, take a large bowl and pour in about 200 milliliters of Coca-Cola. Watch closely as the bubbles begin to form. These bubbles aren't just for show. Coca-Cola contains mild acids, like carbonic and phosphoric acid, which help break down mineral deposits, stains, and grime. Now, add 1 full cup of white vinegar directly into the Coca-Cola. Notice how the fizzing increases immediately. This reaction boosts the cleaning power of the mixture. Vinegar is well known for its ability to dissolve grease, kill odor-causing bacteria, and remove buildup. Next, add 2 tablespoons of regular table salt. It may seem simple, but salt acts as a gentle abrasive, helping to loosen stubborn dirt and stains that stick to surfaces. Now add 2 tablespoons of dish soap. Any brand you already have at home will work perfectly. As you mix, you'll notice the liquid becoming smoother and slightly foamy. Dish soap helps cut through grease and lift dirt, making cleaning much easier. Finally, add 1 tablespoon of baking soda. The reaction will intensify again. Baking soda helps neutralize odors and adds extra cleaning power. Now gently stir everything until the mixture becomes smooth and uniform. Pour the mixture into an empty spray bottle using a funnel. Don't fill it completely and leave a little space. Close it tightly and give it a light shake. Spray the solution directly onto your toilet bowl, making sure to cover all stained areas. Within moments, you'll notice the stains loosening, dirt breaking down, and even bad odors starting to disappear, all without heavy scrubbing. This mixture also works amazingly on your bathroom sink. Spray it over greasy or stained areas. Let it sit for a few seconds, then gently scrub with a sponge. The dirt comes off easily, the shine returns instantly, and unpleasant odors disappear. Just rinse with clean water and see the difference. The surface looks clean, fresh, and almost brand new. This may look like a simple mixture, but don't underestimate it. It's powerful, low cost, and made from everyday items you already have at home. Now I want to hear from you. Rate this tip from 0 to 10 and tell me what you think. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video, comment where you're watching from, and share this with someone who needs this tip. Try it once, and you might never look at Coca-Cola the same way again.